I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. Now before be that one, MC Oluomo has no mouth again as far as Nigerian politics is concerned. It can be localized to Lagos. Now, it was inaugurated as the NURTW president national, and the court has sacked him again. Let's discuss this. Please don't go away. Hello, welcome to my channel. I remain your boy, Ernest Omozugbe Adebayo Okoje. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And at the end of this video, if you enjoy watching my video, please hit the like, the thumbs up, comment, and share. Now, of recent, we saw that MC Oluomo was had his inauguration as the NURTW chairman, that's Nigerian Union of Road and Transport Workers. And we know that that association is mainly an association that thrives through violence and thuggery. So they are the park managers, people who control when you go to the park, all those what we call agbero. And then we know that they played a significant role in the gubernatorial election in Lagos, because after the presidential election where Peter Obi beat Tinubu blue-black in Lagos, that is supposed to be a state where Tinubu had once been a governor rather, they unleashed the NURT on the people who they felt were not Yoruba to ensure that they prevented and frustrated them, and to prevent and frustrate them from, exercising their rights to vote. But in the end, well, APC won Lagos. I think APC would have even won because other tribes were not really against whether APC or candidacy, APCs and candidates and all of that. And then, of course, but they wanted Peter Obi, just like everybody wanted Peter Obi. So MC Oluomo was very, very instrumental, and his name is Musiliu Akin something. And so after he had spent his normal, I think 4 or 8 years as the NURTW chairman of Lagos, he was still reigning supreme because he had ties to Tinubu. He was Tinubu's boy. He was the Lagos State governor's boy also. So he controlled all the thugs. And then at one point, he had issues with the national where they suspended him. But of course, you cannot suspend somebody who is Tinubu's boy, who has, to a very large extent, helped Tinubu to get, even though Tinubu lost in Lagos, he was still instrumental in ensuring that Tinubu, people were intimidated and all of that. And then he helped Tinubu to get even the number he got, in spite of the rigging and everything. But to cut the long story short, after some time now, after 1 year in office or thereabout, of course, he has done Tinubu favor. They needed to push him, and he cannot become the Lagos State NLT chairman again. So what will happen? They will not make him the national president. And the current president, Baruwa, has finished his first term, got re-elected for his second term, and the industrial court affirmed him as the winner and as the, president, national president. But these people who do not believe in law, they think Nigeria or Abuja is Lagos. They don't know if not, they say those Fulani itself, even say they pity Tinubu. Tinubu cannot even win. If not for the votes Tinubu got in the north, could he have won the election? In spite of the votes he got in north, Kano, Katsina, and all of that, what happened? He was able to just get about 8 million votes and won about just 12 states. So just imagine. And so in the end, they probably felt slighted, I don't know, and then they pulled their strings. And now, what happened? After MC Oluomo's inauguration, he has now been sacked by the appeal court. MC Oluomo, go home and sit down. It's not everything that is gra. So his real name is Musiliu Akinsanya, popularly known as MC Oluomo, and he was the national president of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, and his presidency has been invalidated by the Court of Appeal. So this just goes to tell us that when the wind blows, we shall see the anus of the fowl. So now the anus of the fowl, we don't see small now. Gradually, these people will be dismantled, and then they will know that illegality cannot always triumph over legality. There is still, because I don't know why the hurry. You people believe that Tinubu will do 8 years, right? Tinubu has just spent 1 year, and then NURTW chairmanship position, I think it's for 4 years or so a term. So let the guy finish his term now, and then help Tinubu win the election again, so that in Tinubu's second term you can become the chairman of the president of the NURT. So why the rush? Why trying to Why try to, impose yourself on the association? Thank God that the man didn't stand down, and this ruling was made in Abuja. I'm trying to remember the name of the yes. So then now let me just quickly read this. Okay. Recall, as earlier reported by the news, that Baruwa is the current chairman. He was the one who wanted to be pushed aside, but he has stood his ground and he has won the case in the court. Who claims the title of national president of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, NURTW, has strongly opposed the inauguration of Musiliu Akinsanya, popularly known as MC Oluomo, as the new president of the union. In a statement issued by his lawyer, so they opposed it, and he was still sworn in, but now he has been sacked, and I hope that he takes his things, and he should just go back to Lagos, because I don't know, since his godfather Tinubu is in Abuja, maybe they've given him some form of accommodation in Abuja. But thank God that sanity has taken place, and because these people, they are very violent people, and with this kind of things, even in different parts, you see them always fighting amongst themselves. At times, these things lead to destruction of properties and even death. And sometimes these people have dangerous weapons and all of that. So if order had not been restored, I'm sure there would have been so much anarchy in Abuja, and it would have affected and embarrassed Tinubu's government. So Tinubu probably just had to allow the court, have its way, and then to also save the bloodshed that would have occurred in Abuja. Because these people, Baruwa, from the name, you know that he's probably a Fulani man. He too would have his own supporters, some big politicians also, and then this would have been Clash of the Titans, and this would have been a very negative dent on Tinubu's administration, and then probably he would have sensed and smelled pepper and fire in the next coming election, because probably some of these politicians would have been like, okay, you're just trying to impose your people on us and all of that, and that's already the news going on. But I know Tinubu is trying to be a national president, getting people from different parties. If there's any set of people he's not even favoring, it's people from the East. I'm not from the East, I'm from South Edo State. There's people from the East. I feel that they are still being marginalized some way. So Tinubu should try to make them, he should include them in his government. And of course, of recent, he nominated Bianca for a ministerial position, and she was screened. You see, these are politicians. They are too randy and corrupt. Imagine people who are old enough, who are young enough to be our children, were talking about her beauty. What concerns them about her beauty? Instead of them to focus on her credentials. That just shows you the kind of people we have in our hollow chamber of the National Assemblies. Corrupt, randy, promiscuous politicians. But thank God, MC Oluomo has learned a lesson that his powers and Lagos the day. So let me know your thoughts are in the comment section. I remain your boy, Ernest Omozugbe Adebayo, signing out until see again. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.